Let's see President Donald Trump ula bandang yai peteng ban kren ya ki kentin ki ba pen sneusi lani ki ba pen mong tam kat hadu menta ha ka jing kren bat ki nong thok khubor ha ka sngi baar utrom ul kedeu ya ki dor jong u kum unong pen bet ma bakhat du e ubalap hier arsya ya ki jing keno jong u ba ul pen bet ya ki hen yau tli kitma ha ki khendiat banai banangkong jong ka samoy trekam ka baar ka jong u haba penbena ya ke jing penkenria ya ke US Peace Command Shah Hans Willy Alabama utrom ulong Khlem ke US ki baroh ha ke perthai kin yapno o President Donald Trump ulanang ya shakmat ban krenben shapang ki dor khajna Khlem da ai kanu ka jingkin kabala ban ngit halor kani kakam.
Because without the United States, everything in the world would die. It's true. It's so powerful. It's so big, and I made it really big in the first 4 years. Then it started to degenerate with what this Biden administration did. But we built it up to a level that I never thought we could be at this quickly. We're the hottest. We're the best financially. The money coming in is so big because of tariffs and other things, but because of tariffs. Tariff gets us even those other things. Plus, it gets us great negotiators. I settled 7 wars, and numerous of those wars were because of trade.